This HTML code represents a complete web page for a travel and adventure booking platform called Natars, structured using semantic HTML and styled externally through CSS files, style.css, icons.css, and Google Fonts, while also linking a favicon for branding, and its functionalities are organized into multiple sections: navigation, header, main content areas, footer, and an interactive pop-up, which collectively create a visually appealing, responsive, and interactive user interface. Starting from the navigation system, it employs an input type equals checkbox element with the ID Navi toggle that is paired with a label containing a custom button, navigation __ button, and an icon, navigation __ icon, forming the hamburger menu mechanism often used in responsive designs, where toggling the checkbox allows the full-screen navigation background, navigation __ background, and menu, navigation __ nav. To slide in, containing an unordered list of navigational links like About Natars, Your Benefits, Popular Tours, Stories, and Book Now, enabling users to quickly access sections of the website. The header section introduces the brand identity with a logo, header __ logo, inside header __ logo box, followed by a hero text block, header __ text box, that includes a prominent primary heading, heading primary, divided into a bold main phrase outdoors and a subheading is where life happens, both stylized to highlight adventure and nature themes, along with a visually engaging CTA, call to action, button, discover our tours styled with classes, BTN white BTN animated, to encourage immediate exploration. The main content is divided into structured sections each with unique functionality. The About section, Section About, introduces the company's philosophy and offerings with a centered heading, Heading Secondary. Reading, exciting tours for adventurous people, followed by two columns, Call 1 of 2, where the left column presents subheadings, Heading Tertiary, descriptive paragraphs, paragraph, and a text link styled as a button, Learn More, while the right column contains a composition element with 3 images, composition __ photo, using Cirxit and Sizes attributes for responsive image handling, ensuring optimized loading across devices with high or low resolution screens. Next, the features section employs a 4-column layout, Call 1 of 4 for each, where each contains a feature box, with an icon, pulled from icons.css, a heading, and descriptive text, offering quick highlights such as explore the world, meet nature, find your way, and live a healthier life, thus summarizing the company's values and services. The Tours section, Section Tours, focuses on showcasing offerings through card-based UI, card, with a flip animation structure where each card has a front, card __ side front, displaying a themed background image by now linking to the pop-up booking section, giving an engaging interactive experience to explore packages like the sea. Discover All Tours button at the bottom for broader exploration. The Stories section, Section Stories, adds an emotional dimension with a looping background video, BG video, that uses multiple formats, MP4, WEBM, for browser compatibility, overlaid with headings and user testimonials, where each story includes a figure, story __ shape, containing a responsive image, story __ img, and caption, story __ caption, alongside descriptive text blocks narrating positive customer experiences such as Mary Smith's and Jack Wilson's, reinforcing trust and emotional connection through authentic stories. With a concluding text link, read all stories for more. Following that, the booking section, Section Book, allows users to initiate reservations with a styled form containing grouped elements like text input for full name, email input for contact, and radio buttons offering options between small tour group and large tour group, supported by labels and custom radio button styling. Form __ radio button, finalized with a CTA button next step, making it clear and user-friendly. The footer consolidates brand identity with a responsive picture element for the logo, footer__logo, supporting multiple resolutions depending on screen size, and splits content into two halves, one with navigation links like company, contact us, careers, privacy policy, and terms, and the other with a copyright statement acknowledging the builder Ian Deb Nath along with a contact number, blending professionalism with accessibility. Lastly, the pop-up component, pop-up, provides a modal interface triggered by links in the tours section, consisting of a content box, pop-up__content, divided into an image box with tour-related photos and a text box with a close button, pop-up__close, headings, descriptive text about terms, and a Book Now button, offering users a focused booking experience without navigating away from the main page, thus enhancing engagement. In terms of overall functionalities and design principles, this codebase demonstrates modern web development best practices, semantic HTML for meaningful structure, responsive images, circuit/sizes, for performance optimization, CSS classes based on BEM, block element modifier, methodology for maintainable styles, reusable UI components like cards and buttons, accessibility considerations like label elements for form inputs, and engaging multimedia integration while balancing aesthetics, animations, hover effects, iconography, with usability, clear CTAs, structured navigation, storytelling for emotional appeal. Ultimately, this single page encapsulates the essence of a professional, responsive, user-friendly travel booking landing page, guiding visitors through an intuitive journey from brand introduction and service highlights to tour exploration, testimonials, booking forms, and final engagement. Thanks for watching. Meet with you again next video. Please place your question on description or contact us directly.